Hello everyone, welcome back to DataEngineers Academy. In today's video, we are given two tables, clubs and students. Our task is to find the students who belong to clubs that still exist in the clubs table. The output should include only the matching student records in the correct order as required. Now, let's understand the sample data and solve the problem step by step. Here are the clubs and students tables. The clubs table stores the club ID and club name, while the students table stores the student ID, student name, and club ID. We'll return only the students who qualify. Here is the SQL query that solves this problem. The expected output displays only the students whose club exists in the clubs table. The results are sorted in ascending order by student ID. Now, let's switch to Snowflake and implement the solution. First, I'll create the clubs table using the create table statement in Snowflake. Next, I'll create the students table using the create table statement in Snowflake. Next, I'll insert the sample data into the clubs table using the insert into statement. Now, I'll insert the sample data into the students table using the insert into statement. Let's understand the query. First, we select the ID, name, and club_ID columns from the students table. Then, we use an inner join to match the club_ID from the students table with the ID in the clubs table. This returns only the students whose clubs exist. Finally, order by ID sorts the output in ascending order. Now, let's execute the SQL query and check the output. Let's take a look at the output. As you can see, only the students whose club_ID exists in the clubs table are displayed. This is the expected output. Thank you for watching my video. For any training updates or inquiries, please contact us at 720-720-9005.